Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from the Crypto.com app to the Crypto.com exchange. First, open the Crypto.com app and go to the home screen. From there, tap on Accounts. This is like your dashboard showing all your holdings. Next, go to the Crypto tab. You'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently have in your account. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer to the exchange. Be careful here, choosing the correct asset is very important. Once you've selected your crypto, tap Transfer. Then choose Withdraw since you're moving funds from the app to the exchange. Now, select the Crypto.com exchange as your destination. This tells the system exactly where you want your funds to go. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check the number to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're ready, tap Withdraw to confirm your transaction. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your funds from the Crypto.com app to the Crypto.com exchange. The transfer should complete shortly, but always keep an eye on your exchange account to confirm it's gone through. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.